So thank you guys for joining us for Oak Nights. I am super excited to have my friend Jessica from Discovering Wilderness joining us this month. We're going to be talking all about trailside meals. What we're going to focus on tonight is freezer bag cooking. There are two ways to use a freezer bag in your cooking. One is to do what's called a cold soak, where again there's no actual heat and cooking involved. You have your ingredients ready to go in a bag or other waterproof container. You let it soak for an extended period, and then you have a cold meal, but it's rehydrated. So maybe not quite as boring as the name brand goes here, granola bars for a day. Something a little bit different in texture, but still cold. What we're going to focus on is using a cook system with freezer bag cooking, which gives a whole variety of options that kind of, in my opinion, and I'll let Jessica chime in when she's not focused on putting together our experiment, it's kind of the best of all worlds. You get to have some foods that are ready to go before you set out. You can do a degree of cooking by bringing your ingredients separate and putting them together and doing some in-camp cooking. It's super easy, it's super lightweight. We're going to get into some more of the details on the benefits. But that's, in my opinion, the best of all worlds. You get a little bit of cooking, you still get the ease and convenience, and you get something hot, which, especially with the cold weather we've had lately, is really nice to get you warmed up from the inside out as you're maybe at the end of your night, or even just warming up on a longer day trip with a warm lunch.